Well, this was a surprise. Yeah, this is how I got my icon box. That was super late. I saw that was shipped on May 10th. It's a lot more later now. And yeah, I mean, you could totally see the black on the inside here. I mean, this thing is so busted. I'm hoping that everything is okay on the inside, like no products were damaged, because I know there's at least one eyeshadow palette in there, and that, you know, nothing's missing. So hey, my name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaways. Today we have our unboxing, yes, of the May, don't come for me, icon box from Ipsy. And we're giving away one of these items to one of you. Don't even know which one yet. I do know that I did some add-ons in there, so that's how I know there's an eyeshadow palette in there that I'm going to do for a future monthly eyeshadow palette giveaway. Speaking of which, every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway for the month of May. For the month of June, it is the Juvia's Place Candy Shop palette. Super fun. I love using colorful things, especially in the summer. So to get your very own, look in the description box down below under current giveaways. It talks about how to enter your very own brand new one of those. And you guys, giveaways are really easy. Be subscribed to the channel, watch the videos in their entirety. If you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun, laid-back group here. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark it to all. And if you are watching on a mobile device, go into your settings. I want you guys to know when I upload. Definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways, because I do them a lot here on the channel. Giveaways are really easy. Be subscribed to the channel and watch the videos in their entirety. So, like I said, I'm filming this giveaway and another giveaway just today alone. As far as what is on my eyes today, it is the Glam Light Ice Cream Palette. You guys, this stuff sells out so quickly on their website, and they bring it back, and it's just, because I mean, look at it. She's a pretty pastel palette. You can even do, like, with this row and part of this row minus the pink, and, like, some of these do, like, a pretty neutral look, too. Love this. So the icon box is $60 per month. You get some really high value items for that. We'll total it up at the end and see what my total was. And they're all full size. I do have a code for Ipsy if you're interested in checking them out. That'll be in the description box down below. It'll get you it'll save you some money, and it'll get me some extra bonus points for their add-ons. Like I said, I have 2 items that I did for add-ons in here. The add-ons are really, really good. You guys, I've gotten a Natasha Denona palette in their add-ons before. They're really good. So let's open her up. Let's find out if everything's okay and what's in here and what we're giving away to one of you. So it does look like everything is okay in here. So when they do the icon boxes, which comes out quarterly, the icon box for this month was Patrick Star. So some of the items in here will be from his brand One Size, I'm hoping. If you see me looking down, my notes are on my phone. So the first thing in here, I'll do the 2 Patrick Star things. We have the Turn Up the Base Blurring Foundation. Your base is about to be bomb. Thanks to this medium coverage foundation that looks and feels like a second skin. Mine is in the shade Fair 3. It's a fair golden. Let's see, I don't know about the golden part, because if it's too yellow on me. Here's what she looks like inside. So she looks like that. Doesn't really have a scent to me. It comes out of this product at once. You just need, like, this would cover my whole face. So What do you guys think? I mean, I think it's a pretty close match. Obviously that doesn't have, sorry, the trash guy was outside. So I mean, I think it's a pretty close match. I mean, look at it, especially towards the other part of my skin. I think that's pretty good. I don't know if it would work like in the summer when I get a tan, but right now it's pretty good. The other thing in here is from One Size is an Eye Sparkle Vision eyeshadow. Retails for $24. This One Swipe Wonder features a mix of glitter and pigment, a high impact sparkle and shine. Mine is in the shade 01 Everything and More. It kind of looks like this. Looks like that. Oh, it's really pretty. Let me try like blending it out. It's kind of like a copper almost. That's what it looks like. It's kind of glittery though, is the only problem. Like when I blend it out, you can really feel, at least on my finger, the glittery chunks. Oh, there's one more One Size hiding in here. Is the Point Made Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner Pen. Retails for $19. Statement eyes aren't going anywhere. Literally, this waterproof liner won't fade, bleed, or smudge. I have mine in the shade Busty Brown. Looks like this. It is a liquid eyeliner, but I do like using a brown eyeliner instead of black. Okay. So let's give that a second to dry down and we'll see if it smudges or not. So let's do one more and then we'll see if this one smudges. From Benefit Cosmetics is the Pore Professional Speedy Smooth Pore Mask. Does retail for $39. Treat your pores to a super speed facial with this 5-minute mask. Watch in awe. It changes colors as it helps clean the gunk from your pores and smooth an even texture. I don't really do clay masks because I have super dry skin and they just dry out my face more. You can see where this is dented from whatever happened in the mailing, but I think it's okay. Love how this looks like a little cocktail glass, even with this on top. This just like sits here. It doesn't even like screw on or anything. There we go. I got it to pop on. You just have to push down more. Anyway, Dermalactis Purifying Cleansing Gel. This one does retail for $70 for a cleansing gel. Okay. From Kinship is Instant Wipe Lemon Honey HA Exfoliating Pads. Retail for $26. I'm really not into exfoliating pads because it just seems like a waste of the paper products to me. So we do have a Skin Saver. It is from Briori. It's their Basil Dark Spot Correcting Cream. Retails for $85. Basil isn't just delicious, it's also key to helping purify, hydrate, and smooth. Paired with the brand's proprietary Pro Fade Complex, this moisturizer helps visibly brighten and improve the skin barrier function. It kind of looks like that. And the last item before I get into my add-ons is the First Aid Beauty Bounce Boosting Serum with Collagen Peptides. Retails for $44. So you guys, my total of this box without add-ons was $347. Pretty good for you only spending $60. I wish it wasn't late because I do these reviews for you guys. And I'm super glad nothing got damaged. I don't know what happened. That's just how I got it in the mail. secret word of the day is hot. It's getting hot. I know it's only June, but it's getting hot in here. So my two things I got were the Lawless Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Line Smoothing Gloss. Looks like this. She's very kind of goopy. Oh, we were gonna smudge that other one. Looks like that. Ugh, very, very sticky. So there's that one. I'm rubbing super hard. That line's not going anywhere. I will say I did come up with just a little bit of makeup remover. The other thing I did pick up was a Paranova eyeshadow palette. Kind of looks like this. I thought it would be fun for a fall eyeshadow palette giveaway. So what do you guys think? I mean, there's some high-end skincare in here, and I got like 3 one-size items. That's awesome. I wish I would have got a one-size palette. It's just me. I don't even know if they did palettes on this one. I don't think they did. I think my favorite thing in here was the Dermalactis Purifying Cleansing Gel. I know this is a really good one, so looking forward to that. What was your guys' favorite thing in here? Let me know in the comments down below. Let me know how you guys are doing and what you guys are doing for the weekend. One of my son's best friends also graduated college from a different college, and so we're going to his graduation party. Other than that, pretty low-key around here. What are you guys doing for the weekend? That first aid will sell. Yeah, I totally make do with those kitchen pads. Let's give away those kinship pads to one of you guys. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once. And make sure to put on it your YouTube name so I can verify, yes, you are subscribed to the channel. And also put on it that secret word. YouTube is no affiliate with this giveaway. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. You must be 18 years old or older or have your parents' permission to enter. Giveaways open internationally. I am not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, lost in transit, customs, anything extra for it to get to you. And make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. So you can't get bonus entries. How the bonus entries work is you only fill out the form once, but you can mark on it if you did do the bonus entries. Only mark on them if you did do them, if you actually did, because I don't want you guys to get disqualified. So your 4 ways are: number 1, go follow me on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB, A-M-A, followed by the letter B. Your second way is if you follow me on X, formerly Twitter. That is BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. Your third way is if you follow me on TikTok. It's Christina Marie, BeautyAmaB. And your fourth way is if you share with your family, friends, social media accounts. It's just a way for me to say thank you so much for sharing it. Because when you guys share it, it really helps out the channel. When you do, tag me when you share them on your social media accounts. I love seeing those. So let's have the giveaway go through July 5th, midnight Mountain Standard Time, and on July 10th, I'll come on here, put all of the information into the computer. First name, first initial of your last name, I'll put those in the computer. The computer spins all the names around, the computer picks, I don't, so don't ask to win. And then as soon as the giveaway's over and I mail out the prizes to the winners, I do go ahead and delete those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. I don't sell that information. I don't share that information. I don't create distribution lists. I don't do anything like that. So if you like this video, give it a big like. It really helps out when you do. YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you if you have the time. I greatly appreciate you guys checking it out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. And I will see you soon. Bye. Good luck in the giveaway. Woo!